Another key to successful budgeting, like give money back. Be very clear about what hasn't worked. I think a lot of marketers are afraid to do this because they're afraid to lose budget. But if it wasn't working, someone's going to find that out. Someone's going to see the metrics and wonder why you didn't bring that up. If you're not being above board and cutting things that didn't work, that's going to be a credibility issue sooner or later, and sometimes both. So be clear about what didn't work. Be clear about what you're cutting. That communicates to the rest of the organization that you are accountable, that you are looking at metrics, that you are thinking about the money with kind of more of an owner mentality, with more of an investor mentality. That's what the CFO is going to love. That's what the board is going to love. And there may be things that didn't work that you're like, we know why they didn't work, and here's why they didn't work, and here's why we think this next iteration of it will work. That's a story that you can tell as well. But cut the fat from things that didn't work and be really critical about that. And it's not always a black or white thing. It could be like, here's things that for sure didn't work. Here's things that we know why they didn't work, but we think it's worth trying again. Here's things that we've learned from, and we have higher confidence that they're going to work now. And it may be a discussion around sort of which shade of gray you're willing to keep and fund, and which of those might, at least for now, kind of go onto the cutting room floor. But like, have that discussion with data and come in with some honesty about what's working and what's not. The credibility and trust goes up significantly when you do that.